Solid-state drives have revolutionized data storage by dramatically reducing boot times, enhancing the performance of applications, and eradicating the long loading times that plague traditional hard drives. If you haven't upgraded to an SSD yet, it's time to consider the transition. For those already using SSDs, upgrading to a newer model can provide significant performance improvements. SSDs have come a long way, and with so many options available, it's important to choose one that matches your needs and budget. Whether you're looking for a high-performance internal drive or a reliable external storage solution, this guide helps ensure you make the right decision for your system. All product links are provided in the description. Number 9. Crucial X9 Pro. For those in need of portable storage solutions, the Crucial X9 Pro stands out as the best external SSD, designed with a sleek, compact form factor. This drive is not only stylish but also functional, offering exceptional performance with transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. Available in 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, and 4 terabytes capacities, it caters to users looking for high-capacity, portable storage options. The X9 Pro excels in large file transfers, making it ideal for photographers, videographers, and anyone needing to transport large amounts of data. Number 8. Crucial BX500. The Crucial BX500 is the ideal choice for budget-conscious users seeking an affordable SATA SSD without sacrificing performance. Priced competitively at around $23.04 for the 240 gigabytes model, this drive offers good everyday performance and low price per gigabyte, making it perfect for users who need extra storage without a hefty investment. The BX500 provides various capacity options, including 1 terabyte and 2 terabytes, allowing users to choose according to their storage needs. While it performs well in larger capacities, it's important to keep in mind that users should be aware of its endurance during heavy write operations. Number 7. Samsung 870 EVO. For users looking to enhance their storage with a traditional 2.5-inch SATA drive, the Samsung 870 EVO is a premium option that consistently delivers high performance. Known for its excellent speed, particularly with small file operations, the 870 EVO has become a benchmark in the SATA SSD market. Available in capacities of up to 4 terabytes, it provides plenty of space for users needing to store large amounts of data. What sets the 870 EVO apart is its consistent performance across various tasks, particularly in writing long files, coupled with Samsung's Magician SSD management software. Number 6. Seagate Game Drive SSD. The Seagate Game Drive PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD is specifically designed to optimize the gaming experience on the PS5, making it an excellent choice for console gamers. Featuring a low-profile heatsink and excellent 4K performance, this SSD delivers fast loading times and smooth gameplay, which are crucial for the latest games. The drive comes in 1 terabyte and 2 terabytes models, providing ample storage for your gaming library. With a TBW rating of 1,275 terabytes, this drive boasts durability and longevity, far exceeding the competition. Number 5. Crucial P310 2230. If you're looking to enhance your gaming experience on the Steam Deck, the Crucial P310 is the best choice for upgrading its storage. Designed as a 2230 module, the P310 measures 22mm by 30mm, making it compatible with the Steam Deck specifications. This SSD shines with its speed, outperforming competitors in most scenarios. Available in capacities of up to 2 terabytes, it provides plenty of room for storing your favorite games and applications. The P310's slight price premium is justified by its superior performance, particularly in read and write operations. For users focused on gaming, the P310 is an excellent option, offering fast load times and smooth gameplay. However, users should be mindful of its low TBW endurance rating, as heavy usage may affect its longevity. Number 4. Teamgroup Z540. For those ready to embrace the future of storage technology, the Teamgroup Z540 stands out as the best PCIe 5.0 SSD currently available. Offering blazing fast speeds and impressive performance, This SSD is perfect for users with demanding workloads, particularly in gaming and creative applications. With a potential capacity of up to 4 terabytes, it provides ample space for storing large files and applications, making it a versatile option for both gamers and professionals alike. While it may come with a higher price tag, starting at around $142.99, the performance benefits are well worth the investment for users looking to maximize their system's capabilities. The Z540's optimized performance for 13th and 14th Gen Intel CPUs. Number 3. WD Blue SN5000. The WD Blue SN5000 emerges as an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers seeking a balance of performance and affordability. Priced at just $44.99 for the 500 GB model, this SSD delivers solid everyday performance, making it suitable for a variety of applications, from web browsing to light gaming. The SN5000 is among the fastest HMB, host memory buffer, SSDs available, excelling particularly in write performance, making it a great choice for users who require a reliable drive. While it offers impressive speed, achieving top performance requires HMB support from the system. Number 2. Solidigm P44 Pro SSD. If performance is your top priority, look no further than the Solidigm P44 Pro, which is hailed as the fastest PCIe 4.0 SSD available. This impressive drive not only excels in raw speed, but also offers remarkable random performance, making it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals alike. By utilizing DRAM for caching and the proprietary low-level Windows driver, the P44 Pro achieves unparalleled performance in both read and write operations. Available at a competitive price of approximately $119.50, its value is enhanced by its consistent high performance across various tasks. The P44 Pro's exceptional capabilities make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to upgrade their system. Number 1. Crucial P3. The Crucial P3 is a standout choice for those looking to upgrade their storage without breaking the bank. Designed for systems with PCIe 3.0 slots, this SSD delivers excellent everyday performance, ensuring faster boot times and snappier application loading. Available in 500 GB and 1 TB models, its pricing is very competitive at around $39.99 and $65, respectively. However, it's important to note the drive's low TBW, terabytes written, rating, which indicates limited endurance for heavy write tasks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.